Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial is I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching header animation using this website, the Wix Studio. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to log into your Wix account, and then after that one, you open the project where you want to add header animations. So you can see here, there are some templates that you can choose depending on your liking, and you can also create yours. So after this one is once inside the editor, you can locate the header section. So here I'm gonna choose this template. So after this one is we are heading to selecting the header and opening its settings. So here, this is the template that I have chosen. So click on the header to select it and then access the settings panel on the right hand side. So this is where you will set up and customize your animation. And in the settings panel, look for the animations option. So here, this website offers a variety of animation styles such as fade, slide, and zoom. And you can choose one that fits your website style and then preview it. To fine-tune your animation, you could click Customize, adjust the duration, direction, and trigger settings to control when and how the animation appears. So if you want to make the header even more dynamic, consider adding interactive effects. And then you can also click the preview button at the top right corner to see your header animation in action. Once you're happy with animation, you can click publish to make it live, and that's it. You've just added an amazing header animation to your Wix Studio website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and comment with your questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.